Here we go. Ride my bike. Told you I was serious about getting the cardio. Getting my cardio right. You know what I mean? So I ran a little bit today. Getting a little bit of bike riding today. I'm gonna try to incorporate the two. Either on a daily basis or every other day. Or ride one day, run the other day. I'll mix it up. I gotta get that cardio right, I gotta get the heart strong so I can match the rest of my body. I believe I would have rhymed. Criminal minded, you've been blinded. Looking for a star like this, you can't find it. Alright, I'm out. Peace out to all my workout warriors. GBW. 1.